Are you looking for the best leaf blowers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best leaf blowers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB. The Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB simply blew the other competition away when it came to nearly every metric that we tested. While on turbo at 5 inches from the nozzle, the blower ran a whopping 1105 CFM at 153 miles per hour, giving more than enough muscle for bigger and more demanding jobs. Not only does it pack a punch, but it also ran on high for 37 minutes and 26 seconds, which was over 12 minutes longer than the next leaf blower. It's also really easy to fine-tune the power output with this model. Our head tester said, it has an easy-to-use variable trigger, cruise control button, and turbo boost button, which allows for supreme control of power. On a final note, the battery system used by Husqvarna allows for compatibility across multiple tools in their lineup, allowing you to upgrade both your batteries and tools within the brand. Up next in the 4th place is the EGO Plus 615 CFM blower LB60-151. EGO Plus' specialty is cordless electric yard maintenance tools, so it comes as no surprise that the EGO Plus 615 CFM blower earned an award in our review. Power is essential when choosing battery-operated tools, and this model delivers plenty of it. The dial allows you to set your desired power level easily and effectively, and the turbo button truly embraces the word turbo, providing plenty of extra power on demand. On top of its blowing performance, we found it to be highly ergonomic. According to our head tester, it has stellar balance, practically no vibration, and it's made to use with either hand. It has a respectable runtime of 16 minutes under normal use, with the included 2.5 amp-hour battery. The included batteries also charge faster than any other brand in our lineup. Another notable advantage to the EGO is its battery compatibility. You can upgrade to larger EGO brand batteries or swap batteries between your other EGO Plus yard tools. Best of all, the EGO 615's price point is below average, even though it performs much better than several models with higher price tags. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita 36V LXT Brushless Blower Kit XBU02PT. For the most part, it is an impractical dream to have all of our cordless yard equipment and handheld power tools on one battery system. Many handheld tools utilize a lower voltage battery system than most leaf blowers we have reviewed. Additionally, most lower voltage leaf blowers tend to perform poorly compared to the models in this review. The exception, however, is the Makita 36V LXT Brushless blower. It solves this problem by using a pair of 18-volt cordless tool batteries for power. I love the fact that I can use the same batteries for my drill, my circular saw, and even a stereo, said our lead tester. The convenience of having a solitary battery system across all your tools is undeniable. However, the batteries of the Makita 36V LXT Brushless still have some downsides. The 2-battery requirement means you must charge 2 batteries at once, not a huge deal since the included charger features 2 charging slots. But it also means you'll need 2 fresh batteries ready to go if you want to work without interruption. That said, the convenience of a unified battery system across your yard tools and hand power tools outweighs this deficiency. We highly recommend this leaf blower to anyone shopping for a single battery system across all their tools. Just note that this model is downright loud, so if you want to minimize the chance of annoying a neighbor or waking a napping child, the Milwaukee M18 is much easier on the ears than the Makita. 2nd on our list is the EWork X01 Jig. When looking for the most economical cordless blower that can tackle some of those smaller jobs quickly, the EWork X01 Jig is an absolute ace in our book. It's not the most powerful, but for the price, I must say it's sufficient for quick and easy cleanups, said our lead tester. It's one of the lightest models, and we weighed just barely 5 pounds with the battery attached. Throughout our rigorous testing, we found the blower allowed for supreme control and ambidexterity, scoring an 8 in our ergonomics test. By being so nimble, this tool can be used by nearly anyone in the household to complete some weekend chores or a quick cleanup. One of our favorite bonus features is an easy-to-use turbo button, which we tested at a reasonable 510 CFM. Not only does this leaf blower come with a budget-friendly price tag, but it also comes with 2 batteries that took us only 60 minutes to charge, giving some added juice for longer use. Despite being lightweight and maintaining a good value, the EWork X01 Jig blower does have some downfalls that simply wouldn't work well for anyone looking to accomplish those tougher jobs. With our tested runtime of 12 minutes and 29 seconds, it lacked longevity without having to replace or recharge your batteries. After testing both airflow and speed of the EWork, we found that it only had 85 miles per hour wind speed on turbo, making it tough to move or push around anything other than leaves. Unfortunately, the batteries to the EWork are specifically designed for this blower. Therefore, these batteries will only work in this unit, and there are no other options as far as tools or batteries go. If having serious power, a longer runtime, and more selection on a range of tools and batteries, you might want to take a look at the Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 ABUs, which we tested at over 37 minutes, making bigger jobs a piece of cake. Finally, the top product on our list is the Greenworks 80V Cordless Handheld Leaf Blower. One of the lightest cordless leaf blowers, even this Greenworks model can replace a gas-powered unit. With our anemometer, we clocked the airspeed at a respectable 127 miles per hour, which falls in the middle of the range for handheld gas blowers. The tube tip is tapered at the end, creating a little narrower, focused airstream, evident in the pattern left in our sawdust test. We also noted more precision when blowing leaves out of our test area, which we cleared in seconds, taking just a few steps. Compared to other models, runtime is fair considering the 2.5 Ah battery. Greenworks offers compatible 80-volt batteries up to 5 Ah, which would significantly lengthen how long you can use the BL80L2510 in one shot. And if you already have a battery from another of the brand's tools, use it and buy just the leaf blower without batteries to save some cash. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.